Alright, today we're going to be doing a scope install on a brand new rifle we'll be using. I use this for my business. This is Hogtown Invasive Trappers, or we're going to put some hits on hogs. Here's a new weapon purchase. This is the new SIG 716 Precision or 3-gun, 18-inch threaded barrel. We'll be running suppressors on it. The bullets that we'll be using today are hand-loaded Sierra Game King 150s with Winchester 748 powder, 48 grains, approximately 2,800 feet per second. On this weapon we're going to be mounting the new VXR2 Leopold illuminated dot scope. We'll be mounting the Leopold on a Leopold single piece mount on top of this weapon. This scope is a 2x7 power, 30mm tube. The objective on this particular scope is 33mm. This is an illuminated fire dot 4. This will be the primary sight. We will also be mounting this Flir T50 clip-on for night use in front of this scope. When we're using the weapons at night, we use the Flir PS32 for scouting. One of the ways that we get around very easily and safely is the use of night vision from TNVC. The combination of the night vision plus the different types of thermal help us find the hogs that we need to get rid of. Before we begin much work on this gun, we're going to make sure that it's safe. Always make sure that any weapon that you're working with is safe. Okay, we have now mounted the scope within the mount, secured the mount to the gun, and then using a level placed on the rail itself and on the top cap, we were able to get level and square to the gun so that when we sight this, we'll have a good sight picture and our adjustments will work correctly. The next thing we're going to use is this bore sighter from BSA. This will allow us to get onto the paper in a much quicker manner, not using as much of our ammunition. Here we're using the bore sighter to get us onto the paper. Now we've got the scope set up, we're going to use our safety glasses, getting ready to get sighted in for this T50. So now we're on the sandbags, we're ready for a first shot with this new setup, and we'll take our first shot once I get my eyes and ears protected. Safety off.
Nice trigger, huh?
We're down at the target now. This is our final 3-shot group. This again is at 40 yards. Zeroed at 40, it will once again be on dead zero at 200 yards with this particular round and the velocities that it's shooting. Now, after doing the sighting in process for this new gun, new scope and mount, we have the grouping that we want. We're ready to use the T50 Flir in front of our new setup. And with this setup, daytime optics, illuminated red dot for near dark, and then anytime after dark, this is going to take care of the business that we need it to take care of. This is a rail mounted optic. It goes on the front with a quick release. You see that we've got some space between the scope and the T50. We've got nice alignment, and once we have this set up, there's nothing that we can't do with this gun. This gun will outshoot me, and with these optics, we can do everything we need to do. I hope this helped you out. This gun will again be used for hog hunting, for eradication in the state of Florida. The night optics are going to allow me to do what I need to do for the company and for the clients that I have that need hogs removed. Appreciate you watching. Thank you.